The first step is to install the base and find the adjustment screw. Install all the screws into the screw port. After leveling the base, use a level to find the level. If it's not level, adjust the screws appropriately. Then use a wrench to fix the screws and nuts. Apply sealant to the inner ring of the floor drain. Install the floor drain. Note that the rubber gasket should be below the chassis. Then install the floor drain hose. Place the base flat. And test if the base is level. The second step is to change the drainage. Use a ruler on the base. Measure the size of the toilet and sink drain hose. Use a hole puncher to make holes. Make the drainage pipe. The third step is to install the wall panel and install the small back panel. Measure the height of the shower installation. Measure the left and right distances of the shower. Use a 25-hole puncher to punch holes. Install the shower connector. Install the lower profile of the back panel. Install sidewall panels. Install the large size back panel. Fix it with screws. Measure the water inlet holes of the toilet and sink. Use a 25-hole punch to punch holes. Install the water inlet connector. Install sidewall panels. Fix it with screws. Install the nozzle base. Install the triangular storage basket. Drill holes after marking. Fix the triangular storage basket with butterfly screws. The fourth step is to install the door frame and lower profiles. Insert the lower door frame felt inward into the sides. Fix it with screws. The upper door frame is facing inward and the pulley grooved downwards into the sides. Fix it with screws. Insert the profile on the wall panel. The right angle side facing inward. The fifth step is to install the heater and remove the heater. And place it on the outside of the ceiling. Fix it with screws and install the inner cover. Insert it into the top. Fix the top 3 aluminum profiles with screws. Fix the 4 sides of the top plate from the inside. The sixth step is to install the interior partition sliding door. Fix the door frame with screws. Make sure it's horizontal and vertical. Install the inner partition, upper and lower door frames. Insert the side with the brush strip inward. Connect the lower door frame. Find the screws. Fix it with screws. Measure the distance between the front and rear frames. Fix it. Install the U-shaped groove. Connect the front and rear frames. Fix it with screws. Install the upper door frame. The pulley groove faces inward and downward. Fix it with screws. Connect the U-shaped groove and the upper door frame. Install the inner partition glass door. Put the fixed glass into the profile slot. Fix it with glass locking blocks. Put the sliding glass into the groove below. Put the upper pulley into the pulley groove. The seventh step is to install the sanitary ware. Install the toilet. Connect the water pipe. Experience the space of the toilet. Install the wash basin. Find a water bottle. Connect the water supply and drainage. Install the front door. The installation method of fixed glass and inner partition glass is the same. Insert it into the slot. Install glass connection profiles. Fix it with screws. Install the other fixed glass. Fix it with a locking block. Install it under the sliding door. Put it in the anchor slot. Hang it on the sliding groove. Use glass sealant to plug all the fixed glass. Apply sealant. Install glass anti-collision strips. Seal the four corners of the house with sealant to connect the wall. A 1.9 meter overall bathroom is installed.